Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to be going over the insertion sort, and I'm going to be using Java code that I have worked on in class to demonstrate it to you. This first thing that you're looking at is the isort class. I made this in class, like I said, and what you do is you pass in an array of integers, and in this case along with a string direction. So if you want it to be sorted by ascending, like 1 2 3 4, or descending, like 3 2 1, you will pass in an A or a D, and it will do that. So the first part of the code is you're going to initialize a in and an out variable that you're going to be using inside of your for loop, which most sorts do use. So you're going to initialize the out to 1 in the beginning of the for loop, and you're going to have this for loop keep going while out is smaller than the number of items in the array, and so every time it'll go through, it'll increase by 1. So you're going to want to make a temporary value, which is int temp, and you're going to want to set it equal to the array of the first spot, which will be where out will be right now, so the first value, and you're going to want in to be the same value as out. Now for this while loop, only look at the 1/2, because that's all you really need to see right now. You're going to first compare and make sure that in is greater than 0, and as long as it is greater than 0, and the index of A where in is, which is where out is, so if it's the first time through, it will be A of 1 minus 1, so it will be the 0 index of the array. If that is true, if that is greater than what the temp value is, and in this case the temp value is where A of 1 is, then this will go on, and the A of in, which is whatever the out will be, so the array of 1 is equal now to array of 1 minus 1, so the array of 0, and then you decrement in. Then before you stop this for loop, make A in equal to the temp, which was at A of out, and A of out was A1, so now A in is A1 again. Now this next thing that you're going to be seeing is a GUI that I made in my data structures class, and what it does is it measures the amount of time that each type of sort that we had gone over up until this point, it measures how long each one of them takes. So I picked the insertion sort, and I have it sort 1000 variables. And first time you run it through the computer, it says it takes 19 ms. If you get a new set of numbers in the array and you sort them again, every time you do it, it will do it in 5 ms. And that's the fastest out of all of the sorts that we go over in the entire class. And it is the fastest sort for a small amount of numbers. And the Java API will use merge sort for a large amount of numbers, but if it's a small set of numbers in an array, it will use this insertion sort that you just saw.